Want to create an amazing professional logo in just a few clicks? Sounds like a magic trick, right? Well, in this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful technique that'll level up your logo game instantly. First things first, to create this logo, you'll need a cool font that does half the job for you. Don't worry, I've made it super easy. Just go to the link in the description below and click the big shiny download button. Once downloaded, install the font by simply double-clicking it and hitting Install. Next up, let's add some drama to your logo. Go back to the description and click the second link to download the free mockup file. It's a sleek, realistic background where your logo will truly shine. Trust me, it's like putting your logo on a red carpet. Once downloaded, unzip the file and keep it ready. Now open Photoshop. Select the Type tool, T, and choose the font you just installed. Type the letters P and F, the stars of our show. Below that, type your subtitle or brand tagline. This gives context and makes your logo feel complete. Resize and adjust both the main letters and subtitle until everything looks balanced. Think of it like arranging furniture. It needs to feel just right. Now it's time to add a sleek gradient to both text layers. Go to the layer styles, click on Gradient Overlay, and pick any color combo that matches your brand. A smooth gradient instantly adds life and makes the logo look high-end, like Gucci but free. Once you're happy with the look, hide the background layer so that only the text is visible. Then press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E. This creates a new merged layer of all visible elements. Now press Ctrl plus C to copy it. Open the mockup PSD file you downloaded earlier. Once it's loaded, look for the layer that says something like "Your logo here," or double-click to edit. Yep, Photoshop literally tells you what to do. Double-click that layer. It'll open in a new window. Now press Ctrl plus V to paste your logo. Then hit Ctrl plus T to resize and position it properly. You want it centered and clean. Once it looks perfect, close this window and hit Save. Photoshop will automatically update the mockup with your new logo. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Photoshop magic, and don't forget to drop a comment if you want more logo design tricks.